Not working. So you're leaving again. Oh, so sad. What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this golden day? Well, there's a problem, a slight problem, and that's that my car is not starting at all. So I'm trying to figure out exactly what to do. I'm going to show you guys the problem right now. But so I get into the car. I have the car keys literally with me. They're in my pocket. And when I press the start, nothing. It just shows that key thingy over there. And I try, and when I take out the keys, for example, and try to start it, it literally says no key. And I have no idea why. And when I unlock it, as you guys can see, it's unlocking right now. But still, it is not starting. Look. So I literally don't know what to do. I've tried to call Nissan, and they said to tow the car, to bring it in. And so, but for now, what we're trying to do right now is pretty much disconnect the battery and try to see if there's anything that will work. And you guys might be saying it's the remote controller that might be the problem, but I'm not sure it is because I just changed that like a few weeks ago. What are you doing? Oh, that's my dad. Oh, hello. Say hi. Say hello. Hi, guys. Oh my god. But and I'm very sure it's not this because I literally just changed the battery of this keys like a month or two ago. So I'm just trying to see if I can find like some tools to kind of like disconnect the battery right now. And if not, I'm probably just gonna have to get the car towed to Nissan. There's one that's like 2 miles from where I am. So let's see if this can work. Nah. So I just removed the battery and now I'm going to try again. Good? Wait. Fingers crossed. Oh, it still says a no key. Nope. Not working. So you're leaving again. Oh, so sad. Yep. So we're heading over to the dealership. Let's see what happens. Oh, I'm terrified. Thank you. So in case the audio for this video is terrible, I apologize. But I'm at the Nissan dealership right now waiting for my service. And I have some golden popcorn and some golden coffee. But the guy that was servicing my car was pretty awesome. He has like an Evo and he's all golden. But while I'm waiting for my car to pretty much be fixed at the Nissan dealership, I'm just gonna show you guys something that I found that's really interesting. Hold on. So this I think is a 2018 Nissan GTR and it's a premium. So you have the regular specs, the manufacturer's price, 110, blah blah blah, floor mats, all that good stuff. $4,200 for the interior package, and that pretty much for its destination charge makes it $116,000, which is kind of expensive. But it hasn't even got crazy yet. So you think that would be the only thing we would pay? But when you come to the front, you find out that dealer installed options is $116,000, and then the shield protection plan and an added markup. Like, why would we be marking up a Nissan GTR? It's $14,000. So the seller's asking price is $132,880, which is just crazy for a GTR. Although it looks amazing though, seriously. And I love the updated, I've reviewed a GTR, but I've reviewed the older one. But I love the new updated front. I think the front, whatever. It makes it look really nice. Front bumper, that's what it's called. It makes it look really nice. And yeah, I just love the upgraded look. I love the orange brake calipers as well. And the updated bumper just from the back. It looks so good. What's up, buttercups? I am back. So, my 370Z, thank God, is back. I'm just gonna show you guys the goldenness, but they got it fixed. I'll get to the details later. But you guys will never believe exactly what happened. But so far, I think they said what even happened. The power steering lock something went out. But watch this. The key is inside. I press start. sounds so good. Listen. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. I must be making this much noise here, but yeah. And I'm really sorry about the really bad video quality because I forgot my camera at home, but so Nissan, they pretty much let me see what they even charged me. I'm about to cry. Are you guys ready? So for the towing bill, that one was like $75, and the guy that was even towing said that it was actually, he didn't know it was a 370Z, and so it was like a specialty job and he could have charged more, but he gave me a golden deal, and it was a really nice guy into cars, classic cars. It was golden, 75 bucks for that. And so what else? Okay, when I got to Nissan, they pretty much I've been there for about 2 hours-ish, but they've gotten fixed. And yeah, I'm so glad. I met two amazing car guys. It was so awesome. And one of them has an Evo 10 that has 700 horsepower. I think it's gonna have 1,000 horsepower. But I'm actually going to actually get to ride in it, and I can probably even review it. So that's gonna be golden. So another guy that I met, he also has an S13. What else? He has a Subaru WRX, and he's also a really nice guy as well. So I'm gonna get to hopefully in the future work with them. But I'm down to the nitty gritty. What you guys want to hear about this, about exactly how much it is. So they told me exactly. Let me see what exactly was wrong. The vehicle had a hard time starting. Tech found vehicle steering lock had shortened out, causing the issue. Tech removed and replaced steering lock to solve issue. Retest okay. And that was pretty much it. And they also did a general maintenance, which I don't know what general maintenance is, but that cost $390. And then the buck skid steering cost $250. So a total of about $670 something. Hold on, and they actually had two. They had like the metal and the plastic one. The metal one was about $900 and something. So I just told them to do the one that was 600 and something because yeah, the total of that was minus plus a discount that the employee gave to me. His name was Jesus. It's pretty golden. The guy that has the Evo 10, he was awesome. But it came to $663.75. I'm about to cry. First of all, I'm in a canyon. It's really nice, but yeah, hopefully it starts when I start it up again. Please. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This was a really interesting day. I was supposed to go do a lot of stuff with my mom, but I couldn't do that. But anyway, everything happens for a reason, and that experience also has led me to a lot of connections now and a lot of friends, pretty much, that I can say they're friends because they're pretty golden. But that's all you guys wanted to hear about my golden experience, not so good an experience. Yeah. So exactly what went wrong, I'm still trying to find out, but they said it was a steering wheel lock. So it was kind of the thing that prevents the car, that kind of lets the car lock and open and blah, 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 like from security. It pretty much broke, but it's fixed now, and I discovered this amazing piece of road in the middle of nowhere. And I think these were also part of the parts that were affected by the LA fires, I think, because they're still roasted. If you look down that way, everything there is just roasted. Look at it. That's just crazy. But time to get into my golden car and drive on these amazing roads. And yeah, okay, just so in case you didn't know how to do it, I'm going to show you guys. So in case you reset your 370Z or turn on the battery, which I did, excuse me, a lot of things don't work. Not really a lot of things, just the windows, because look, when I open them now and close, it goes down, but it doesn't go back up. So that doesn't work. Look, it keeps on going down. It's kind of funny, but it's actually not a difficult fix. So to do that, you put the car in its on position, so ACC, press on again, and then you push the window down, hold it for 15 seconds, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15, 1,000. Boom, and you hear some clicks. So it did the first one, and then you roll it up again. And hold that for like 15 seconds again. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 14, 15. Hopefully that should have worked. Hey, that's it. So now it goes up. Perfect. So I'll do the same thing to the other one. And now for the test, when I open it, boom, goes back up. And that's how you do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this golden video, and I'll catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive. Bye.